Kwabanye babantu abadutshulwe babulawa kulesi sigameko, owesilisa obephethe ingane yakhe kanye nabesifazane ababili bandawonye. Imindeni ithi lokhu kubulala behleliwe.
This isn't a case of wrong place, wrong time. No, not at all. They were targeted. They were definitely targeted.
My brother-in-law got shot with this child in his hand. Upon arrival, when we got there, we had to take our nephew underneath his father.
Imindeni isola umbango okhona wokushushumbiswa kwezidakamizwa endaweni.
About it's gang related. I'm not sure what can we say. It's all about drugs and gangs.
Izigameko ezifuze lezi sezivamisile ukwenzeka kulendawo, kodwa ke bengakaze kubulawe abantu abaningi kangaka.
Now there's a huge concern regarding the shooting that's taking place on a weekly basis. But this one was just drops because 6 people died in this one. The child was injured. What is law enforcement going to do about that?
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke ujenene ufani Masimola uvakashele le ndawo kulandela lesi sehlo.
The police team that is deployed here for stabilization, they will remain here and work here to make sure that there is stability in this community. Number 2, I will bring in another investigation team that will come and investigate cases of e-Reiger Park.
Go and hunt those heartless people. Yes. We have no words to say. It's our responsibility, it's our task to hunt them and hunt them now.
Abasolwa basacela mathafa.